Welcome to all of you, my dear students. In our previous lecture, we discussed on some numerical regarding force and pressure chapter, and in this video, we will discuss some short answer type question. Okay, so this is the question number D, short answer type first. Okay, in your exercise. So the first question is, write the 5 effect of force. Okay, in our theory class we also discussed on the effect of forces. So I write here effect of forces. Okay, so force can cause motion in stationary object. Okay, that is object at rest. Second, force can stop a moving object. Okay, force can stop a moving object. And third, force can change the direction of motion of a moving object. Okay, force can change the direction of motion of a moving object. And fourth, force can change the speed of a moving object. Okay, and last, force can change the shape and size of an object. Okay, suppose if you compress the balloon, and the shape of balloon and its size is also changed. Okay, now second question, what is muscular force? Give an example. The force resulting due to the action of muscles is called muscular force. Okay, and in our theory lecture we also discussed on this topic in detail. So example, an elephant carries load, and second example, oxen plough our field. Okay, so this is example of muscular force. And third question, what is meant by force of gravity? Okay, so answer is the attraction force between the earth and the object which always tends to fall the object downward when it is in motion is called the force of gravity. Okay, the force of gravity is due to gravitational force. Okay, and every object, if we throw in open sky and after some time it reaches the ground, so this effect is due to force of gravity. Okay, every object pulls in downward direction due to attraction force of the earth. So this is the force of gravity. Okay, and another question, why do astronauts wear specially designed spacesuit? Okay, why some astronauts wear specially designed spacesuit when they are move in space? Okay, so the answer is, an astronaut wears a special spacesuit that maintains the normal atmospheric pressure for her body, since there is no atmosphere outside the air. Okay, when astronaut moves in space and at the outside of the earth there is no atmosphere, so the special purpose designed spacesuit provides the normal atmospheric pressure to their body, so they always wear a specially designed spacesuit. Okay, now question number 5, Where is the pressure greater, 10 meter or 20 meter below the surface of earth? Give reason. As you know that when we move in below the surface of the sea, then the pressure is also increases because the weight is also increases. So the pressure is greater at 20 meter below the surface of sea. Okay, answer is because pressure increases at the depth. Okay, this is the answer. And question number 6, what is atmospheric pressure? So answer is the layer of air surrounding our earth is called atmosphere. Okay, the earth is surrounded by a layer which is called atmosphere, and the pressure exerted by the air due to its own weight is called atmospheric pressure. Okay, if there is air outside the earth, so if there is air, then it must exert some pressure, and this pressure is known as atmospheric pressure. Okay, and last question, explain why a wide steel belt is provided over the wheel of army tank. The question is, explain why a wide steel belt is provided over the wheels of army tank. And the answer is, a wide steel belt is provided over the wheels of army tank so that they exert less pressure on the ground and do not sink into it. Okay, one more thing, you know that pressure equal to force upon area. Okay, so if area is more, then pressure is less. Why pressure is less? Because the pressure is inversely proportional to the area. If area is more, pressure is less. So what will happen if a wide steel belt is provided over the wheels of army tank so that they exert less pressure on the ground and do not sink into it? Okay, see here a pictorial representation just like this. Okay, a tank with a wide steel belt. This is the wide steel belt, so it protects this tank to sink into the ground. Okay, and easily moves on the surface of the earth. Okay, so this is all about the short answer type question, and I hope you must write this question in your fair notebook, and after this we will discuss on some long answer type question. Okay.